you're looking to make it easier to access, correct, and strengthen the two most commonly used joints on the body, and all the stuff that goes into training them, and help your clients see bigger and faster results than they ever thought possible, this seminar series will be of massive value to you and your clientele. This workshop builds off the highly successful version 1 of the same name. Those who have taken version 1 will find this as all new content geared towards building and refining your approach, plus expanding your tools and integrating programming considerations throughout. If you have not attended this before, registration to this course comes with complete shoulder and hip blueprint version 1 digital video access to go through as pre-workshop viewing to ensure you're up to speed on what you'll be going through. Some of the concepts they dig into are how to use assessments to guide your training program, how breathing mechanics drive mobility of the upper body and stability of the lower body, and how to use it to see fast improvements in both. Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. It may change your life. This may help you or your clients get through common shoulder issues more effectively. Streamline your assessment and program design to help you get faster results and more efficient use of your time. It will also help you see the details of shoulder motion you didn't notice before, and whether something you're using in an exercise program is working or not. Upgrade your exercise toolbox to address commonly overlooked movement issues. You'll learn the hip, roll, and the low back, SI joint, and knee issues commonly seen in the gym, and how to address them from a fitness perspective. Help clients get specific with what will help them get stronger and faster than ever before, and break down a system you can use today with yourself or your clients to see instant benefit while removing the guesswork. This covers an assessment of shoulder and hip functionality, as well as how to address issues. They do an incredible job of presenting the material in an organized and easily digestible manner. After you purchase, you will be directed to the easy-to-follow details on how to access the video presentation series. You can then view and download all the video presentation. You'll get over 11 hours of video content. The instructions to view and download the videos are easy and quick to do. Along with the video presentations, you can download and print out detailed handouts of each of the presentations. With your handouts in hand and video presentations on your computer, laptop, iPad, or iPod, you are ready to enjoy the presentations and learn a variety of assessments and exercises. You can watch the video presentations when you want at your own pace and revisit any aspects of the video presentation whenever you like. Plus, you will have a lifetime access to all video presentations. Plus, if you ever need any help with anything, you can always email the email address given once the purchase is complete if any technical issues pop up. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Wait Online video. Have a nice day.